This is my favorite way of eating cod. I'm gonna do it a lot more. So today on What the Fish, we're making steamed cod. Codfish to me is always something that is like super luxurious. When I was a kid, right, I rarely had cod, and whenever we had cod, it was like for some celebration. My mom always told me it's damn expensive, which, you know, she's not wrong. It's just all in all a great fish, one of my favorites for sure. And today we're gonna steam it, which in my opinion is one of the best ways to cook fish. We're just gonna take this piece of fish that again has been cleaned. We're just gonna put a few pieces of ginger in it, and we're just gonna chuck it in the steamer. Ginger is one of those things, right? I don't believe anyone when they say, oh, I love ginger, they just like chuck it in their mouth, right? I don't buy that. Ginger kind of sucks. But I recognize that it is absolutely necessary to balance some flavors, but by itself, I'm not a fan. Okay, we're halfway done with the dish. While the fish is steaming, we're just gonna quickly make the sauce. A lot of people think that steamed fish sauce is just soy sauce. No, it is not. So it's soy sauce with a bit of hot water, sugar to balance out that savory taste. It's almost like a Chinese teriyaki sauce. Ooh. Okay, right now we want to empty those juices. The hot oil kind of like activates all the uncooked aromatics on top. And then we're gonna put in some more garnish and we're done. So simple. It's ready. I think that took a total of like 12 minutes. Fantastic. I think I just had like a flashback to like those Chinese restaurants that I went when I was young. Those like big round tables and they had like steamed codfish in the middle. This will always be the highlight of any banquet dinner. And oh, I just love this so much. I think you're absolutely right. I would need scallions with this. So for everyone out there, please also use scallions. I'm gonna like buy a few of these, freeze it. Literally any time at all I wanna eat this, I'm gonna defrost one, I'm gonna steam it. If you try this recipe and you share the same feelings, please. All by myself. So the lights went out, which means it's my time to go. If you do make this, find us on Instagram and tag us. I hope you enjoyed What the Fish.